Here is a comparison between GenSpark and Base 44. GenSpark has an AI slides that complete professional works, has an AI docs that draft your docs from anywhere, AI chat for free chat for all top tier image models, and AI image that you can edit. On Base 44, it has shape your ideas into apps and that works your way. So it can create a reporting dashboard, gaming platform, onboarding portal, or different more. Now, for the primary output, GenSpark has untasked or professional assets, presentations, and deep research, while Base 44 is fully functional custom apps, reporting dashboard, and networking app. For ease of use and method, GenSpark has a mixture of agents to perform multi-step actions, while Base 44 is a build an app with no coding necessary. For core value, GenSpark gets things done by automating highly complexity, while Base 44 has a no-code low-code platform that turns ideas into working software. So, if you want to use something that has more a professional, involves codes, and if you are into computer codes, then you can go ahead and install GenSpark. But if you are just a beginner-friendly options for AI, or if you're looking for an easier to use to build apps, then you can go to Base 44.